So, work in progress. Hey.
I did not realize that was different.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kinsey Lo. If you haven't noticed, we're in a new backdrop, new location because we moved.
We moved. Halla frickin' Luya. I mean, you guys, it was a long time coming, and we're here, and we're roommates now.
Finally, Kinsey and Lo living together.
I know, what a concept.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be really fun moving forward and really easy for us to get more content out.
Yes.
And we're excited to do more home-centric things now that we actually have one.
I know, it's crazy.
So, but yeah, today we're gonna be showing you kind of a little sneak peek, I guess, of what we've kind of set up thus far. We literally have only been in this apartment for less than a week.
Like, I think 5 days about.
Yeah.
So we think it looks really good for being here
For that.
5 days.
Oh yeah, the boxes are gone, you know, I mean, it's looking pretty good. I think we definitely along the way will show you guys kind of how we're gonna plan on decorating, and of course once we end up you know, getting some more decor pieces, we'll show you kind of the finished product when we're happy with it. But this is a good start.
Yeah, so if you want to see what our apartment looks like currently, keep on watching. Okay, so when you first come in our front door, the first thing you see is our kitchen, and we have a really big, nice kitchen with good, nice stone countertops, gas stove, a really nice hood,
Yeah.
sink, dishwasher, all of that jazz. So we love our kitchen. We've been cooking in here pretty much every night that we've been here, and it's just a really great kitchen.
Yeah, we love it a lot.
So now moving on to our dining room. This table was actually my mom's old desk, a jazzy light fixture that came with the apartment.
Honestly, I'm kind of into it.
I don't love it, but
I mean, Katie's, you know, the more stylistic one, being with her interior design background. But I mean, it could be worse, you know what I mean?
I just think it's funny. It looks like one of those, I think you said it looks like one of the fish in Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
That, you know, the ones in Finding Nemo that glow and have the thing. That's what this looks like. So, but, you know.
It adds character.
Yeah.
You know, there's so many lights like this at IKEA, and we got ours for free.
True. Came with the apartment. Welcome to our laundry room. Boom. Stackable washer dryer. Also something we did not think we were going to be able to afford.
No.
So
this
that's
is
exciting.
huge for us.
So that's kind of it for our dining room. It's kind of not that exciting. Okay. So this is our living room. Should we go over like where everything's from?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So all of the furniture is from Living Spaces. They have really good affordable furniture that looks nice, and it's like better quality than IKEA, and you don't have to assemble it like Wayfair, so good benefits of that. And
Love the no assembly required.
yeah. And then the cute basket with the blankets is from Home Goods. They had a ton of those little like wickery woven baskets. So if you're looking for a basket or furry blankets, Home Goods has all of that. The fake flowers are also from Home Goods. The coasters were a gift from Lauren's mom. They're so cute.
From Target.
The tray, I don't know where that's from. My mom got it for me. And then we just have some coffee table books and a candle from Henry Bendel. Still bitter.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. Pillows are also from Living Spaces. These are just like some of their normal ones. And these are from the Nate Berkus and Jeremiah Brent collection, in case anyone's wondering. So this is the TV wall, and we just have this little bookcase from Target and two little tuffets from Target also, and there's storage, so they're not full yet, but I'm sure we'll fill them up. And then just some cute little books and accessories on the bottom, and we're thinking we want to get that like removable wallpaper to go on this wall behind the TV, but we haven't decided on prints or anything yet. That's kind of a big decision.
It is. So TBD on that one.
Yeah, that's going to be a later decision. I got a Peloton as a graduation present when I graduated college, so we brought the gym to our apartment. We have like the clips that you can put tennis shoes on, so we can all use it. And then we have some yoga mats and kind of a big open space right here in between the dining room and the living room. so we can, you know, bring the gym to us, do at-home workouts and all that kind of stuff, because we're all pretty fitness motivated, I would say.
Yeah. Okay, so this is my room. It's got a really nice big window, so there's a lot of light coming in. I don't have a light on the top, so I have this lamp over here for when it gets dark at night, but I did order a table from Target. I have like a lot of rose gold and copper accents going on in here. It's like my favorite metal, so if you didn't already know. So I have like a cylinder side table that I'm gonna put on that side of the bed, and put that copper, it's like copper on the inside lamp. That's from IKEA, it's amazing. So I'll put that over here. I really wanna put a plant right there. That's my plan. This headboard is from Katie. Where's it from?
Pottery Barn.
Pottery Barn. And then this bedspread is, it's gray velvet from Target. And then the mustard pillows are from Home Goods. The pink one's from Target. The cheetah one is from Pier 1, and so is the fluffy one in front of it. Okay, and then this is not my desk, it's my vanity. So I have a lot of makeup and skincare, so I store it in my desk. Because Katie and I have so many makeup products, we have our whole collections here now, so give this video a thumbs up if that's something that you'd want to see our makeup collections. But so I basically just have like my makeup palettes and this mirror, which is great, and I keep like my perfume and lipstick on there and brushes, and then I have my Office Space diffuser, which is just amazing. I love it. Chairs from Living Spaces, and this desk is from like a wholesaler, and my mom painted it. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to get furniture that you want and, you know, kind of customize it, that's a great way to go. And then this chair is from Home Goods too. Over here is just my dresser that has like my pants and skirts, like PJs, stuff like that. I keep all my jewelry over here. I have a lot because I used to work in retail for a jewelry brand, so if you guys would ever want to see like a jewelry styling collection video, let us know. I got you. And then kind of what I'm going to do decor-wise is I'm really into music. Music Mondays on Instagram. If you haven't checked it out, what are you doing? Katie and I show you our favorite songs every week. But I really love music, and I saw these frames from Urban Outfitters, and they come in copper. Great. And I think I want 4 of them in like a grid formation right here, but depending on how big they are, maybe I'll just have 2. But I'm gonna get those and then frame vinyl album covers that I love in them. So that's what I'd like to do over there. So hopefully that becomes a reality. I did the KonMari method with these, haven't done it with my other clothes, so that'll be a fun time. But I just have everything hanging right here. These bins up here are from Target that just hold some like miscellaneous stuff. My hamper's right there, gotta do some laundry, so keeping it real. I have all my shoes down here. I just have like my little Lululemon gym bag and like little backpack for like errands and stuff, and then some dressier purses and everyday stuff, and the shoes that I'm wearing right now. So that's pretty much that. Okay, so this is my bathroom. I share it with my roommate Lorna. She hasn't thrown me out yet because of my excessive skincare products, so thanks, Lorna. But the sign is from Etsy. This mirror is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And these little, I don't know, what would you call that, like little toothbrush holder and Kleenex holder. They're white marble and they're from Bed Bath & Beyond too. And then you guys probably don't even care, but I got the bath mats from Home Goods, Target, and then our shower curtain from Target. Got tons of great stuff right now, guys, so head on over there.
Okay, so this is my room. If you can tell, I really love a good neutral color. It's all gray, essentially, with some brass details. The bed and dresser and my vanity over here are all from Living Spaces. The big white Euro shams are from Bed Bath & Beyond. The like paint mark bedding is from Ballard Design. And then the little pillow and this furry throw are from Home Goods. And then my nightstands right now are my old ones from my bedroom at my mom's house. But I want to get new ones, and I just got some new ones in the mail, and I think they're a little short for the bed. I don't know, but I'm trying to transition from silver accents to brass. I ordered a bookshelf that I'm going to put probably over here, and it's brass with white lacquered shelves, and I'm going to do a handbag and shoe display because those are my favorite, and I want to display them because they make me happy. So that's gonna go over there. My vanity just has, again, like Lauren, all my makeup in it, so maybe if you want a makeup collection, we'll do that and you can see what's inside. A lot of good stuff. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you my gallery wall. Okay, so this is my wall that has like my dresser and my gallery wall. I right now have chrome hardware on my dresser, but again, I wanted to kind of switch everything over to brass now, like a brushed brass, so I'm gonna change these knobs out. I just got these at Home Depot. They were like $4 a knob. And I'll probably do the same thing just with brass. And then my gallery wall, what I did is I just got some frames from Target. I think they were all between like $8 and $20 each depending on the size, so really good price. And I just found little graphics on Etsy and went to Kinko's and got them printed on nicer, thicker paper and cut them to size and put them in the frames. So it was super quick and easy. And then to get the layout, I just looked on Pinterest for various gallery wall layouts and laid them out on my floor to test them out before I figured out what I liked. And then just kind of eyeballed them and hung them up. And then also up here, I have a little fan because I like the sound of the white noise when I sleep. Just cancels out any other noise, I don't know. And then I have, this is also where I keep my jewelry. So I have a little jewelry box. This is from Container Store and a sparkly K because obviously Katie. Glitter, okay. And then I have this little jewelry display thing from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I did silver jewelry on one side, gold on the other. And then I always keep whatever purse I'm using at the moment right here. It's just like I walk in, set it down, it's kind of my drop spot, and yeah, that's my room. Okay, so sorry for the poor lighting in here. It's a closet, so I did my best. I have the master. So I have a walk-in closet in my own bathroom. So also this is the nightstand I ordered that I'm thinking about putting in there. It's a shagreen gray leather with brushed brass hardware and brass legs, but I think it's like probably 3 inches too short. So I don't know. These are from Jocelyn, Maine. And then in my closet, I color coordinate everything. I'll stand up here so you can see better. I just color coordinate everything. And I have jackets on the top, shirts on the bottom, and I have like my jeans and sweatshirts in these bins. And then I just have a shoe rack over here that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and some baskets on the top that holds like makeup bags and just extra sheets, odds and ends like that. And then this is my bathroom. It's just like a very basic bathroom. It's sink, toilet, shower. That's pretty much it. I keep a tray. I got this from the Container Store that has all my everyday like skincare products, so face wash, any face lotion, my everyday hair products that I use all the time, and then I have some drawers that I just put like my hot tools in and cotton rounds and any extra stuff that I need. So that's kind of it for my bathroom. It's nothing super special. Yeah. So that was our apartment as it is now. We'll probably do another update video as we go, as we get more stuff, you know, spruce it up, make it a little bit more fun, and
we'll take you along the ride, guys. Yeah. And let us know if you kind of like this more like vlog style video.
Sunday athleisure.
Not great lighting, you know what I mean?
Subpar lighting for sure.
Really, yeah. Hopefully the content wasn't subpar, but the delivery might have not been great.
Sorry.
But we did have a lot of fun making this, and like if you ever want to see like what we're cooking, like weekends, just like normal, like run-of-the-mill stuff, just let us know.
Yeah.
It's fun to switch it up sometimes, you know?
We sometimes do interesting things.
Sometimes.
Every now and then.
Only sometimes. But yeah, but thanks for spending some time with us, and we can't wait to decorate the rest.
Yes, and we will see you next week in our next video.
Bye.